we go, friends. We are starting an adventure. I am moving from South Florida to the Pacific Northwest. Here we go. We are getting the Explore and the little Teardrop trailer done, ready to go for an epic road trip adventure. All right, I have the Teardrop trailer packed and ready to go. I will show you the inside when we get it all set up at our first campsite, but getting ready to leave Florida, head to the Pacific Northwest for a really epic road trip adventure. I'm ready for the move. I'm ready for the change, and it's going to be a really exciting new chapter here. So yeah, got the car packed and ready to go. Everything's been checked. The wheel bearings have been greased. The battery has been replaced. I'm ready to go. I'm excited to do a whole lot more time lapses, panoramas, aerial footage with my new drone. It's going to be a really exciting 2 weeks to not only see the country, but also to do a whole lot more filming and to practice a whole lot of things that I am just not that strong in, like time lapses. So this one, we're just getting the first rotten pancake done and out of the way. And we went to Washington Oak State Park because they have really unique coquina rocks on the beach. And I thought that would just be a really cool time lapse to start with. While I was in St. Augustine, I stayed with another one of my best friends, and we did the boat tour, the Florida water tours, down to see the sunset and dolphins around downtown St. Augustine, and it was just such a phenomenal time. I also wanted to get into fishing, and so I'm so excited to have gone down to Rattlesnake Island and tried my hand at some saltwater shoreline fishing. Had some shrimp and just threw the line in the water. I really enjoy casting, so that's a lot of what I did. Probably didn't need to, but ended up catching really cool mangrove snapper and a toadfish. That was so exciting. Holy smokes, I actually caught something, dude. Holy smokes. Okay, let's, without us, falling over. Let's go ahead and release him. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this happened. Holy smokes, he's gorgeous. Okay, let's get you back in the water, dude. Wow. Without killing myself. Oh man, he's gorgeous. So join me on this adventure, this cool road trip across the United States. My best friend and I are going to hit up 6 national parks as we travel from Florida to the Pacific Northwest, and I just can't wait for the journey. So let's go ahead and pack the trailer up, pack the car up, get some cool snacks, and hit the road.